Welcome to JH. I tried Jocko Fuel Brain Power because I desperately needed to stay sharp and energized, mostly because my brain usually operates at the speed of dial-up internet. From the very first dose, I felt a kind of crisp clarity that actually lasted without the inevitable midday crash. It layers 100 milligrams of caffeine with 4 other xanthines like theocrine and theobromine, plus a laundry list of brain boosters including alpha-GPC, ceticoline, rhodiola, L-carnitine, beetroot, and L-theanine. It's basically a chemistry set designed to make you feel like you actually know what you're doing. The formula is clearly aimed at sustained focus and memory rather than just a cheap jolt followed by a total system failure. I really appreciate how it blends clean, tested ingredients with results that actually show up before you give up. Users are reporting better mental clarity and reduced brain fog, which is great if you'd like to remember where you put your keys for once. I found I could power through long work sessions or study periods without feeling jittery or suffering a massive come-down later. It turns out being productive is much easier when your brain isn't screaming for a nap every 20 minutes.